Okay, folks, a scatter plot is a collection of points in a coordinate plane that represents a relationship between two quantities. Okay, now look at this. Example number 2 says draw a scatter plot. That just means put the points on the graph, okay, that represents the equation y is equal to 7 minus half of x. Use the x values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many points are we going to graph? 6 points, right? So I need to first draw a table of values. I'm going to plug in the x's. And what's it going to spit out for me? This is one of the in and out machines. What's it going to spit out when I'm done, Vivian? Well, it's going to spit out what y equals, right? So now I've got to do this. It's going to take a while. I'll probably get a dough on this one. All right? Y is equal to 7 minus a half times 1. Okay. Y is equal to 7 minus a half, because a half times 1 is a half. Y is equal to 6 and a half. So, if x is 1, right, they said they want us to do these, then I get 6 and a half. Okay. If y equals 2, if x equals 2, I get y is equal to 7 minus a half times 2. What's a half times 2, Bailey? 1. So then I get y is equal to 7 minus 1. Bailey, what's 7 minus 1? 6. So y is equal to 6. When x equals 2, y equals 6. Okay, nice. David, now I'm going to do y is equal to 7 minus a half times 3. David, what's a half times 3?
1.5.
It's 1.5? Okay. Or 3 halves, or 1 and a half? You're going to say 1.5. So then, David, what's 7 minus 1 and 1.5?
5.5.
5.5. Do you mind if I write 5 and a half because I have that other one as a mixed number? Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
What pattern do you see developing here, Elise? It's going down by a half each time. Can you just skip the work during your homework tonight? No. Can we do it during this video? Yes. So that's going to give us 5. What's the next one? Raise your hand. Vivian?
4.5.
4.5. What's the next one? Raise your hand. Jenna? 4. Good. Now, I'm going to erase the work that I have here, and we're going to plot these points. Okay. All right, let's see. I'm going to extend the page just a little bit so we'll have some room. Okay. And I'm going to draw a pretty big graph. Not a super big graph, but pretty big. Okay. What's my biggest x? What's my biggest x value? 6? Barrett says 6, so I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. What's my biggest y value, Emily?
6. Oh, wait, no.
6 and a half. So I'll go up to 7, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So, sometimes I just label them like this, so I don't have to put it by each one of them, right? Just every other one. Rowan, help me graph the first one. What's the x?
1.
So I'm going to go to 1, and then what do I do?
Go up 6.
So if I go up 6 and a half, that's going to put me right about here. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to get rid of these little dots because they look like graphs. Okay. Now, who wants to help me on the next one? Aiden? We were done with this one. What about the next one?
2 over.
To the right? And then what?
6 up.
And then up 6. So that's going to put us about right here. Is everybody's graph looking like mine?
Yes.
Good. All right. Now, Moreau, help me on the next one. 3 to the right? 1, 2, 3. And then what? And then between 5 and 6, about right there? Perfect. What next? Isabella. You know what, Isabella? Let me stop this video and we'll go to the next one.